How you doing? My name is Christopher Ward. Today I'm going to show you how to properly load, unload, fire, and rapid unload a 20 gauge shotgun. This is a 20 gauge shotgun. These are the rounds that I'm going to show you how to load and unload. There will be no firing done in this video, so let's get started. To load the 20 gauge shotgun, first you will have to charge it. What you want to do is make sure this part right here, you can stick your finger inside. If you can't load anything into it. So, to load the 20 gauge shotgun, under the well, you have a piece where you can stick the rounds right here. So it's gonna stick some in there. This 20 gauge shotgun typically holds 3 rounds. Only holds 2 here. As you can see, this third one will not go in. It only holds 2 there. When I did that, a round entered the chamber, as you can see here. So when you push it back forward, there's a round now in the chamber. So to unload that round, what you want to undo is, by the trigger, there's a button. The button's here. You want to press this button. When you press this button, you're able to unload. But when you bring the charge back up, the other round, as you can see, is going to go back into the chamber. So when you unload it again, you want to hold this button down again to unload it. And there's your 2 rounds. But you also want to make sure, so you hold the button again. While you got your finger on the button, I usually do it 2 more times, just to be sure. Leave the charging handle down. To manually load 1 round, what you do is you hold the weapon sideways. You stick the round into the chamber. And when you do that, you push the charging handle up. There is now a round in the chamber. To unload that round, you do the same thing as we did before. Press this button here, and the round should pop out. Be careful when dealing with weapons. Make sure you know what you're doing. That's a how-to video on how to load and unload a 20 gauge shotgun.